Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss when someone likes your comment on Instagram while using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Instagram update, enabling notifications for comment likes is quick and easy, and I'll guide you through every step right now. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. Once you're logged in, look at the menu on the left side of your screen. Find and click on your profile icon. This will take you to your personal profile page where you can access all your settings. Next, in the menu, look for the notifications option and click on it. This section is where you can control how Instagram alerts you about different activities on your account, from likes to comments and more. Inside the notifications menu, you'll see an option for push notifications. Click on this to enter the detailed notification settings. Here, you can customize exactly which alerts you want to receive right on your desktop. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Comment Likes. This is the setting that controls whether you get notified when someone likes your comments. To make sure you're always in the loop, simply choose On. This way, every time anyone likes one of your comments, you'll get a notification instantly, even when you're browsing Instagram from your computer. And that's it. You've just enabled notifications for comment likes on Instagram using your PC. With these settings, you'll never miss a chance to see who's engaging with your comments, helping you stay connected and interact with your followers in real time. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who want to boost their Instagram engagement. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your more interactive Instagram experience.